Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you, my students? Hope all of you are doing well at your home. This is MM Azharul Islam, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Tongi Government College, Gazipur. So, my dear students, today I am going to take a class with the students of degree 3rd year. And today's topic is WH question. So, my dear students, do you know what is WH question? Do you have any idea? Okay, you can or cannot, it's not a matter. So, follow me. WH questions. Actually, we can make questions of any sentence by two ways: by using auxiliary verb and by using WH. What are auxiliary verbs? Am, is, are, was, are, can, could, shall, should, will, would, etc. These are auxiliary verbs. And WH, of course, WH starts before word such as who, which, what, whom, how, when, where. The basic difference between auxiliary verbs making questions and by use WH questions: the answer of auxiliary verbs question you can give yes no answer, but to make sentence by using WH questions you cannot give the answer yes or no. So we have to talk on this topic, WH questions details. So, my dear students, look at the board. On the board, I have written WH questions. Actually, do you know the definition of WH questions? It is very easy. To make questions by using WH words, and after writing the sentence, you have to use question marks. Some WH words are given on the board, such as who, which, what, when, how, whose, whom, etc. So, dear students, follow me. Among them, who and whom are used in the sentence as subjects or objects. And when, where, why, and how are used in the sentence as adverb. And what, which, whose are used in the sentence as pronoun. So, my dear students, let me discuss in details the structures, examples of WH questions, how, when, where we have to make WH questions. So, dear students, follow me. So, dear students, look at the board. On the board, I have written use of who. Do you know where who is used? Okay, follow me. Who is used in place of persons' names, professions. Actually, I am Azhar, you are Rohim, she is Mim, you are Kurim. There are many names, many persons in the world. After names, we have to use who. I have written on the board, Alifa is a good girl. So, Alifa is the proper noun, a name of a girl. In place of Alifa, we can use who. So, the answer of first question is, who is a good girl? In the second sentence, I have written, Shakespeare was a famous dramatist. Do you know who is Shakespeare? Actually, Shakespeare was a dramatist in English literature. So, what will be the answer of second question? Who was a famous dramatist? So, dear students, you have to give question marks after writing any sentence or any WH, because it is the use of WH and you have to make a questions. So after writing the answer of any sentence by using WH question, you have to give question marks. Okay, sign, question signs. Okay, students, look at the board. I have written the use of where. Actually, do you know where we use? Where is used in place of some places. Suppose London, America, Paris, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Tongi, etc. Even school, college, football ground, all these are places. Where you see some places, actually in Bangla we call jaiga, sthan, then you have to use where. So look at the first sentence. She lived in London. So answer of this question is where did she live? Look at the verb lived. Lived is a past tense, so I have used did. You have to consider when you see SES with the verb, then you have to use does. And if the verb is past tense, then you have to use auxiliary verb did. So second sentence, Shamrat visited Paris last year. So answer of this question will be where did Shamrat visit last year? And the last sentence, I work in a college. Here it's a new thing, I. You have to change I into you. When you see first person, then you have to make it second person. So the answer of this question is where do you work? Because here work is present tense. So I think you can understand me. So dear students, look at the board and follow me. Now I have written use of when. Actually, when is related with time. On the sentence, look at the board. I have mentioned 1952 and 570 AD. So these are times. So the first sentence, the language movement took place in 1952. Answer of this question is when did the language movement take place? Actually, because of place, I have written short form. You should not write short form. You have to write full form. So the answer of second sentence is that when was Hazrat Muhammad born? So when you see time, morning, night, day, month, small time, big time, time, adverbial time, lots of times are there, but you can easily understand year, date, month, all these are time. So dear students, I have written on the board a confusing sentence. Mr. Akash is the name of a person. Khulna is the name of a place. 1976 is time related. Here you can use three W's: who, where, when. So you can if you change Mr. Akash, then who was born in Khulna in 1976. If you want to change Khulna, then you have to consider place. Where was Mr. Akash born in 1976? If you consider time, then you have to use when. So when Mr. Akash was born in Khulna. So easily you can understand. If you consider, if you see person, then you use who. If you see any place, you have to use where. If you see time, you have to use when. So my dear students, I think all of you have understood three use and structure of who, where and when. If you have any queries, stay connected with me. So I think this is all from today. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye everybody. Assalamu alaikum.